Okay, I have already launched my GDB, alright, online compiler, and I place in my C language code. So you can see here is actually C language. Alright. Now I've declared a integer and a long integer. Alright, then we will see the difference. So now let me just run this. Alright, so I'm supposed to key in value for an integer and a long integer. So let me just do this. Okay, and the long integer. So they are the same. So I'm going to hit enter and they are going to display. You will notice what happened here. The integer is not displayed correctly. I definitely did not key in a negative value. But the long integer have no problem. Okay. And the reason for this is basically because of the allocation of the numbers itself, the range itself. Okay. Since the integer cannot support such a large number, overflow occur. And when overflow occur, errors occur. Okay. But since the long integer can support a very large number, and this number is still within the range, it displays correctly. Therefore, you need to know basically what is the largest number that you are going to work with before you actually work with the variable itself. Then declare the suitable variable in the C language program itself.